We've got jerk sauce flavored chickpea crisps, crispy beetroot slices, shiitake mushrooms, my favorite shiitake mushrooms here, and garlic cloves. Let's go for a beetroot slice. A little bit bland. I'm gonna give that a 5 out of 10. Jerk sauce proper chips that my friend gave me to review. That's tasty. I'm gonna give that an 8. Garlic cloves, they look amazing. Look at that. Oh my god, wait, hang on. Okay, wait. Because the initial bite was really nice, but the taste after, that's a bit much. I'm not gonna lie. That is a bit much. I'm gonna have to give that a 2. Let me try this beetroot again. It's a nice snack to snack on that. Shiitake mushroom time. I'm gonna try my friend's one first. That's really good. How is this one made? I feel like it's less flavorful than that one, but let me just try this one again. The flavor on that is wild. And the mushroom is bigger as well. Let me try this one again. Hold on. I'm very serious about this. Let me get some water, rinse my mouth, and taste it properly. Right, we're back. They're really good. Okay. This one is a 10 out of 10. This one is an 8 out of 10. Yeah. But these... I wouldn't call it tangy and spicy though. To me, it tastes more like tangy and sweet instead of spicy. There's a sweetness to it. These are really good. It says it's tangy, spicy, and a little bit sweet. I would say it's tangy, sweet, and a little bit spicy. Yeah. These, a bit wild, I'm not gonna lie. Like the initial crunch is really good, but as it becomes mush in your mouth, it actually tastes like a whole garlic clove, you know? Anyway guys, those were my savory vegan snacks. We will do the sweet vegan snacks maybe later actually, since I'm not in a mood for dinner today and it's 6:30 right now. My friend's gonna come around now, so I'm gonna be chilling, but I might be back for the sweet snacks. You'll find out.